Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video I'll teach you guys how to turn off comments on TikTok. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel with notification on, so you can get notified for our future video, because we post content like this on our channel. Let's get on with today's video. So for this, open your TikTok, and go to your profile picture by clicking on me, at the bottom right corner. Then at the top right corner, there is the three dot, press on it, and then once the screen opens up, click on privacy, then scroll down until you find who can comment on your videos, which is at the third last, and then click on it. Then right now it's set on everyone so that everyone can comment on my video. I can put on friends, which means the people I follow can only comment on my post, and I can press on no one, which means nobody can comment on my video. So basically my comments are disabled, so that's how you disable your comment on TikTok. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.